Hi everyone. I've got this renovation to do, or refurbishment, or make it like new again. But I'm also gonna try and keep some of the age of this cleaver from a friend of mine. So we're gonna keep some of the patina, and I can't see what make it is because there's too much rust on it. As you can see, the handle is in a pretty bad shape. So I'm gonna get that nice and clean. I'm gonna put it in this just a bowl of vinegar for about a day and a half to 2 days. Brush it clean and see what we have to work with. It looks a pretty good nick, the handles, and there's no cracks or serious nicks that I could see, so I think it will come out nice. In about 3 days this will totally look totally different.